Gabriel. I'm calling from Benue State.
Gabriel from Benue State.
Yeah, I'm your friend, Gabriel.
Where particular are you calling from Benue State, Gabriel? Where are you now?
I'm calling from Igede land, Igede Kingdom.
Wow.
In Oju local government. In Igede, we have 2 local government. We have Oju local government and Obi local government.
Okay. So, I hope you are not afraid to answer some questions before you make your contribution.
No, I'm not afraid.
All right.
I'm good enough to take responsibility for whatever happens in my own state or in my country.
All right. Thank you for that courage. Now, how is Benue State?
Thank you. Benue is fine. It's fine today. Let me put it that way. It's fine today.
You don't know about tomorrow.
Exactly.
All right.
I don't know about tomorrow. Anything can happen. Nigeria is a mad country. Nigeria is not well.
All right. All those villages that was deserted in Benue State, all those villages that the terrorists sacked, tell me, have they come back to their ancestral homes?
Not really. They are still in IDP camp.
They are still in IDP camp.
For example, like those TV area, mostly TV and parts of I think Agatu, right? Part of Agatu IDP. They are still in they are still in refugee camp. They have not come back home yet.
Okay. What is your people's plan to bring them back?
Well, I don't know yet. I don't know. It seems there's no plan yet. It seems I don't know any plan now for sure. I don't know. But I think the governor is doing 1 or 2 things. But the power from above, just like somebody said, the power from that federal government is what is weighing everything down.
Okay.
Remember even Tinubu said, from what you have been saying before, Tinubu said that he cannot even stop this insecurity. The moment he's trying to stop this insecurity, they will kill him.
Yes, he said that.
There are people that are controlling Nigeria, and these are Fulanis. These are Fulanis. So there's no, the governor wanted to do 1 or 2 things, but the power above, overweigh him. That is what I can say for now.
It is fair. All right, you have the mic. Talk to us.
Okay. Yeah, thank you for giving me the voice to talk to Nigerian. Many people have contributed a lot to this Nigerian insanity. Nigeria is not well. Let me just tell the whole Nigeria and the whole world. Nigeria is not well at all. This is not the kind of country we bid for. This is not the kind of country we pray to get. You understand? I love the way Fubara was talking that time. I love his courage. Nigeria is not well, and it will take only a person who is not well to redeem Nigeria. Yes, it will take only the person who is mad. As Nigeria is mad, a mad person too. It will only take that person to redeem Nigeria.
Do you think Nigeria is irredeemable? Or is redeemable or irredeemable?
A reasonable person. They were talking about P2B. I'm even glad that P2B did not go as a president because they will mess him up.
He's too good.
They will mess P2B up.
He's too good to be in Asoro.
Who?
P2B is too good.
You're very correct.
No, he's too good to be there. No.
Exactly. He's too good. Nigeria doesn't need anyone who is good as P2B. Remember Sanusi Lamido, when they restored him back to as an emir, right? I think it was emir they restored him that time. When they restored him and there was problem in Kanu, I saw when they were interviewing some people that were protesting that Sanusi Lamido will not be our emir. When they asked him a question, why do you want to remove Sanusi Lamido? Why don't you want him to become your emir in Kano State? He said that because Sanusi is too good. Because he behaved like a Westerner.
Oh my goodness.
He's learned. He's too learned. Imagine that foolishness that Northern people have. That he's too learned to become our leader here. So you don't even want person who is learned to lead you. Or what are you talking about? So that is exactly what is happening in Nigeria. So what I'm trying to say is that Nigeria is not well at all. And it will take a person who is not well too to redeem Nigeria.
To make it work.
That's what I just want to say. Yeah.
Anyway, for me, I think Nigeria is not redeemable. For me, it's my opinion. Everyone is entitled to his or her own opinion. I think Nigeria is not redeemable. And if we really have to tell ourselves the truth, it's going to be we coming to a table and said, okay, where is the boundary going to pass? Let everybody go their own separate ways. Let us go and fight our battles. Everyone should go and fight their own battles. Every region, I believe, have their own battles, have their own insecurity, have their own bad eggs and good eggs. But, you know, it is very easy to fight these bad eggs without the power from Abuja. And you just made mention of Sinilaye Fubara. And I was telling people that what is going on is not a reverse crisis. It is a national crisis. It is yes, because Tinubu is the one who is giving orders, helping Wiki, trying to, you know, get river, although it's already gone in their pocket. So they are trying to do all these things so that if they want to rig election in 2027, if Nigeria still exists, it's going to be very, very easy, a very hard to anybody. See, if Nigeria still like this, still exists in 2027, if anybody tells you that maybe these people want to join together, they want to win election or win Tinubu, tell them that they are fools. Which election? Which election? The one you are going to vote, I mean, the one they are going to declare.
I don't just.
These are the things.
Let's talk about
okay.
Let's talk about terrorism in Nigeria. You know, if Nigeria is a sensible country, if Nigeria is a reasonable country, the Buhari that brought all these terrorists in Nigeria will have been in jail by now. I don't know if you understand. But where is Buhari now? He's still moving free in Nigeria. He's still moving up and down free in Nigeria. He's the one that brought terrorism in Nigeria. He brought all these people. Remember when Buhari talked about one policy called visa on arrival? You still remember that policy?
Yeah, open border for all these terrorists to come in.
Exactly. How can a reasonable man, how can a reasonable president ask people to come into a country before giving them visa or maybe before processing their visa? Those are the plans, those times, but it's like they cover our eye, they cover our ear, they cover our heart. We could not even know what. Although I love my governor that time, you know, Otom. Even though my people here in Benue, they don't like him much, but Otom was very focal. He knew what is happening.
Yeah.
The way now the Kanu do talk is the way Otom, you know, Samuel Otom do talk that time.
Yeah.
You understand? You know, he was vocal when they brought Ruga in. He was the one that was vocal. Said there's nothing like Ruga in this country, in the States. When they brought, you know, all this nonsense policies by Buhari just to
and because of that, yeah, because of that, the powers that be met. When they met, they said this man must go. That's
exactly.
Yes, this man. Even when he contested for Senate, Otom did not win ordinary Senate because the powers that be don't want him there now. They removed PDP from. Yeah, they removed PDP from Benue State because of that, and they brought a Reverend Father who is telling the whole world that there is no insecurity in Benue State. Why people are dying like flies, people are dying like chicken. It's so pathetic.
The same father is not even, the same father now is powerless. He cannot even do anything because Fulani say that they are the one that institute him. They are the one that puts him as a governor, and whatever they say, that is what he will do.
You understand?
That is why to reinstate. That is why to reinstate to bring back those IDP camp people is not possible for now. You understand? So they still have some levels of power controlling in the states because the power from Abuja is too overwhelming. You understand? It's terrible here in Nigeria. As a whole, it's terrible. I think, but I cannot call any organization like UNO, AOU, whatever to come and help us here. We are the one to stand up against this injustice. We are the one to stand up against. We the people of Nigeria, are the one to say enough is enough. Because most of all these international organizations, their interest to steal from us and to loot from us is still there too.
Yeah, that is right.
So thank you so much for giving your voice. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, my brother. I really appreciate it. Please be safe and always give us information as usual from Benue State. Okay.
All right. God is with us.
We really appreciate it.